I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Anydesk on your device and telling the other person the 9-digit address. This is how connections are routed. Once done, accept the incoming request on the receiving side so permissions can be negotiated. Make sure to enable audio or camera only if needed, because that changes bandwidth. Also check your firewall and network. Poor connections cause lag, so prefer wired or robust Wi-Fi. Now request screen sharing permission from the remote user to proceed to the next step. You should now focus on permissions and display choices. The remote user must explicitly allow either view-only screen sharing or full remote control. Once they select the correct permission, pick the display mode, single monitor or a specific screen, so you see exactly what you need. Make sure to choose a quality preset. Interactive reduces delay, balanced smooths visuals. Also enable clipboard sync only if you trust the machine, because shared clipboards can transmit sensitive text and files between systems. You now control the session from the top toolbar, switch monitors, start a recording or open file transfer to move documents. When finished, press the red disconnect button. Make sure the remote user confirms the session ended. If you see a black or frozen screen, first check that screen sharing permission remains granted, then restart Anydesk on both devices. If lag persists, lower the quality, disable camera, or change networks. These adjustments typically restore smooth sharing without losing the session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.